Today I'll show you how to make a drop down. Now go back to my code and the class name is a drop down. The button name is a drop down. Class name is drop down button. Okay, and the drop down content. There is another class submenu. Okay, the submenu contents are one day test 20. Okay, this is the team for submenu. Now and to discuss about the JavaScript function. Okay, so if I click on the drop down button, then a drop down content will be displayed. Okay, look at here, drop down content is now displayed, and this is the first one. Then I will declare a array whose name is wo, and the array value is submenu 1, submenu 2, submenu 3. Now I want to access every button. Okay, so I have used a for loop and that starts from 1. Okay, and I have used a temporary scope to access the event. Okay, and this is the id, and I have used a single string. Okay, whose value is I. Okay, plus dot plus I plus single quotation. Then I called a function. The name is fun. Okay, and the parameter is value and the array name. Okay, now this is the function and the parameter name and name. If the condition is true, then the submenu content will be displayed. Okay, and this is the result. Menu and the index number I, that includes name. Okay, otherwise the submenu content will be hidden. Okay, I have used a DOM element name next. The submenu item, first one is team, second one is ranking, and the third one is item 3. Now this is the CSS style. Okay, For body section, I have used a background image that will be linear gradient. Okay, color from to white. Okay, if you want to change it, just rename, back, browser, refresh. Let's see. Okay.